Breathe in. Feel the earth. The rhythm of life begins. Let the water heal your soul. Let the forest make you whole. Close your eyes, forget the pain. Let the earth flow through your veins. We don't need much, just to be free with the air, the sky, the sea. Back to nature, back to light. We are one beneath the night. Breathe again, begin anew. The world is pure, and so are